Kublai pi baro sya katup khubor jungi ka Don Bosco Media Network. Ini pai shwesh kimat ki bakongsan. Syapen spong uba Michael Thongni kumurang ba shnong air pakon. Daka almanak en kan show pisa ka kur shadap. Syau Amit Shah en leit pen sngaw ka DSGMC halor ka jingtmu pen kan ria ia ki ba shong hatem motor. Madiad bet ka jingle niam Durga Puja ha joai. Tementang ini pais ki khubor ke bakambnya. Kasnong air pakon ka bahap po ka hima khat arling do ilaka sardarship kala ibit banten rong yu uba Michael Thongni kum urang ba snong thamai uban kit lingkor ha ka senshare kasnong ka thau bat ka imlang salang jong kasnong ka thau borok ko wei. Kumta ka hima khat ar ling do ilaka nong po sardarship kum kadak ban pen im biang ikiriti dustur kala sei ka spong ka phali ka badai ka wei ne ki atiar ban pen kup bor ya kinu kinong senshar snong bat ya ka it hima shwa bakin shim ya ka jing senshar bapura kum kinong senshar snong ha ka khat sau tarik risau 8000 ar phoi
in pedungi kum kli masusha nimla ban kamil de kum kira masnong bagan indon kono ta subject ka sana bun ni ka piai Ibu kilek lah kamun. Saya kata sini kumta. Saya pekar kasaki. Ya orang bak senang ubestar, ubetip ya kampiat, bak ubetip ro ya kaai. Tunggu nengyak cekmat, kene ketika kesenat kami tangba kesenat kesukit, anda kita baru kilap tilki kubang pimpule, berpenyok dengan start kuno nengyak senang berjumpa. Tena kepor dengan air fikir kesenat kumpikial, ban nengyak kembang pimpule kan, boleh untuk lengkap bermapi, berkain, bat kesenang tahu berkoi.
Kalau supaya pasti mo, pasti tetap cukup, pasti tangkap option coba. Kau boleh pun, kita deh, dah kaman jumpi, lembara kita siam jumpi, jadi ibet jumpi, tak pernah lagi gumne, barang ayu you boleh, baru berangkat, bak senang jumpi, nangis kemal. Ngajang ni, dah kebas ngurit, hati jinglang berduna jonga. Hindi, nama akan kam kentipan, ya kasipong, ya kasuki kum orang pak senang, ladang adan kejing paklah. Kenang kenti kalong, jong pihi, iwe parap, pilak pilak, kabar kisah tanggung ta, kulis siapa.
Kalau hal bukan, bagi snow ya iduli tempan, ke bom giksing, tangmuri, kata ada kecinggur ku lalu menai. Hakan nuno kalau bagi sedang, habang iyo kecinggur ku, habang ilek kemen, ni penpau keng, ya kata kecing kemen, siapa percaya, hadi kon giksiu kecinggi, bagian tip, bangi dang deh kikasi, diudang bat ya kerti dustur bat kiba buram bro, ya kajong koi, hendak ingin semua sorong pat, ya lah kajong. Ublay nunukan lempat pi, bat kesenong tau, kadang yok kakot, kadang kiu irak, bat kunjuk kiliang barok, hapok kecing, senyap kajong pi, ha orang masinong jong pi, bat Michael Thongni, bat ke komiti hiperkoi, bat ke advance jong pi barok, ublay nunukan lem, bat kini kipumang pi pelajet, bat ngingai skam, banang nai skmat, kini kin pentelun ni kena ngam, bat kini penpoi seketong jong jong, bat kecing gerku, kenang berkiwi kebini, kanung kanuksa haman kesenjam jong cing jong pi. To ublay nunukan lem bat ni, hakane kapor komenta, ublay nunukan lem bat ni, keet kahima, kador barat, bat kador wasnong, lada ublay nyalam, limlong kilo sempang bat wasta. Kembau, kentang yawai, kaba kadu kalong, tung ini bat ni brom marteng. Ngimdei banong ba, dalapoi sesurok yang kan dah kumai, yang poi sukiwi gini tu kana dah kumai. Handai, tung nang bat brom marteng, bat kataga brom marteng ngajong pi. Dan pelong ikiwi lu ban brom jepi, bat pide wei, bat kan yang nasong ka sawak pom, hakane ka singi komenta, kumba haki por yung chua, ka sawak pom jung pasi kara, uhnyo trap, kadang apa kiyo, banra jauh sir la palang, hak terdong, bat kira hui kiu, kabamut, kabakut, nama kila yo ya ka sawak pom, bat tongin kan mau, ngin bat dengong ya kene, hak jumut hak jungi, anda ngila mi na kadang ka, jungi kut ka jungi, hendak kan mau haki sem, banbu lam ni ka jing luai, ya ka jing pentulun ya ka kam, habarok kiliang. To boleh ka jing sukron kalam mengi, ngambil sibun menkan dari tang ka jing kurkudo, ya ka ni ka senang tahu bat iba, Michael Thongni, bat ya barok napi, kubli sibun, kubli jadi.
Kaalmanak thamai jong usnem arhajar arpoar na kakur Shadap Riboy District. Lapalait paitba no haka katsau terik risau da u President ka Sengkur Shadap u Pastor MS Shadap ringkat ka jingdon lang kidukot ketika Sengkur banyo ya ka jingkur ku kerdo hapadeng ka jingkendu batang kendiat minit banyo penmi pisa kendiat kensoy. Haka jing pelait paitba ya ketika almanak labu dor ba sedang pli paitba no ya ka da ka babu dor arpo tengka kawai.
Sanggup yo play akong ko Shadap in dalam ini kongres member dapat dikomen mo play lo pila ani pilih Islam panyo pan sedang how yang kalender untuk panida dapat dikomen akan dikasih layo ini mat ini polite kan yo ai baru kita ini Sementara seorang atlet dari kalender kalau kita mulai dari kalender lah ya kan. Jadi baru ini kalau kalender Kalau dengan sobat susu ya kapan keren thang ni bercai, bangilai pun jemut agar dengan senam bagi kami yang keren dan jauh Khubor Shadap kami, nak kebentar baru Khubor Shadap kami kini, bakin mat ya kini dan kam, nak kebentar kini dari Khubor Shadap kami kini songlang kawai, bagi Khubor kami kerana kenapa begini lah ya kapan kedup. Khubor baru kemudian hanya boy bertem jadi, jadi temu kalau bagi Khubor baru kini yo ban siamata badai kam dipanggilnya, bahkan ni kalau kau ke kam kalau sedang ketika sedang, ban pendi yang dia kelenda, meskipun kador Khubor Em kubalong minta kadut kepada nanti kalendar kedai kawai nak ketinggalan gol jogi kapag ladan long tayo isa general meeting kapag layo kadut nanti kadut nangta kita kalong kidan ru kinukit kam kit hot restive committee kepala ketulang ko kepada kalendar ya kapan pada iyo the first preference kalau nak betai Khubor Shadap tinggi parok iyo benda parok di tam nang ta pada la ai bandi la neman ai sikwe itu agak-agak doa
Kinong yalam jong ka Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee kilale ya kendu ya ulat ka Jillau Satyapal Malik haka yeng sa jong u Haraj Bhavan Shillong haka khatsau terik mentau benai risau arhajara phoi Kani ka jingle ya kendu ya ulat ka Jilla kalong bahadian ka Sarkar Jilla lingba ka high level committee kala thmu ban pin kendriano ya kitu kibrio harijan kiba shong basa hathem mator hayau maulang shakwai ka jaka Habe krem kilap sai Khubor President jong ka Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee Manjinder Singh Sirsa ulaong bakarai jong ka Sarkar Jilla ban pin kendria ya kiba shong hathem mator kalong persya ya ka hukum jong ka yeng bishar kabala pin benada ka stay order ulaong Banak liang jongki kin salit biang syaka yeng bishar bat kin say kendu yu Amit Shah habadai bat ya kanika kam.
The Honorable Governor Shri Satyapal Malik ji, this was regarding the forceful eviction and the order passed by the Cabinet of Meghalaya under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya Shri Kunal Sangma ji. That was that the Punjabi Basti will be evicted within 1 week. And they, in their press briefing, as they have briefed that they had a tri-party agreement with the CM of Millennium, and for that purposes, now this land will be evicted. We met today at the Honorable Governor side, and we have produced our documents, the title of this property, and also the court order from the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, which clearly states that even if these people are illegally occupying this land, they cannot be evicted forcefully or without the due process of law. The court has also established the formation, how to evict them. They said the government should move to the civil suit and file a civil suit, and the civil judge should hear both the parties and pass an appropriate order. So for even if they are illegally occupying this place, for that purpose also the government has to file a civil suit before the civil magistrate, and then the order for eviction can be passed. But this cannot be forcefully, as the CM of Millennium have already in 2008 has stated that this property was allotted to the Harijan Panchayat. And now how can they sign a tripartite agreement saying that we have reclaimed this land? There is no provision in the law. And we also humbly request to the people of Meghalaya and to the government of Meghalaya that the Sikhs here are living in a micro minority, and they shouldn't be evicted without due process of law. And we assure our people also that nothing on this earth can evict them forcefully. Nothing. There is a law, there is a stated law in this country, and we'll follow a law. And I think the government should also follow this law, and there is no reason that government should forcefully evict them. No, that is totally arbitrary, because they have made up their mind. This order is with a preconceived mind, because they want them to evict. They want to clean this area. Why? They are owner of this property. So the high level committee, I think they have gone beyond their jurisdiction. I just want to apprise you guys, the media also, that this high level committee has passed an order in 2001 and stating that they should be evicted. Rather, high power committee has no such power. They can only recommend for this. Then we move to the High Court again, and a High Court has again stayed their proceedings also, that you cannot pass any kind of such proceedings. I do not understand why then government is passing again and again order. It is what I feel is they want to communalize this situation. The government, for the purpose of election, is doing this, and I humbly request the Chief Minister of the state that being a Chief Minister, you are duty bound to save the minorities and majority. And while it comes to the minority, they might have 400 votes, but as a Chief Minister, you are constitutionally bound to protect them.
Kali niam Durga Puja jong ki pai banget niam Hindu baju pendek man lausnem kala long ka bayat baik mentausnem hajwai kabla penlong da ka sarbajan Durga Puja committee has shift mandir. La sakhi bakani ka jingle niam kalong ka bayat baik da ka ba persang ban board ki kendon standard operating procedure la ni ki SOP kumbala betha de ki bor sarkar banyada na ka jingpor ka klam COVID-19. Kata emshim la sha ki pai ba bandung shi sendung hapok ka mandir khnang bandem khap ngya. Nangta nalobasiat dawai hand sanitizer ki pai ba la seliru ya ka jingshit jongki bandung shapok kumjur ki lapan kre ki mask na kamenta kitu bawan klem deng mask. Nakaliang udolay ka ilaka jawai upuramon kenjing ulali sakhi ya kanika dle niam ha kanika mandir berula ay kublay kit bokit riang ya barok ki pai banget niam Hindu da ka bakirmen baka jing pendap kan long ka jing kerku.
Ini por em ha hau puja, dia menjuai apa orang pakai lekat juai. Tapi ni kita hau pendek miam ni bentar ya tak bawa keduka puja. Ni yang agak dulu yang pakai lekat juai, kublai kerpang ya ki nong yalam yang ke Durga Puja ke komiti yang ke Chief Mandir em ini apa juai yang musiang. Ya ke jengkret sistem yang ki ni bentar pelai baik ya ke ni ke puja wajok man laus nem siang suk cucu yo wa ki nong kit kam yang ke ni ke puja komiti em ke jengkret ni bentar wo ko ngo jadi protokol ki wa deputy commissioner yang ke West India Hill di bor ki wa penman ya ke ni ke puja agluti ko wa set kat kam ke jing thong ka thong ko yang ki ko pendep ya ke ni puja nei bentar yo ya ke chai ke kia man pha man miat ewa ke jing pendep ya ke ni ke duka puja wala naman ke jing lek niam yong gibi tuang ki jai bru handrai em ko nong rim ko wa kam ikon yong dari India QM ke jing im ko lek loj ai ya to we maya niam maya blai ko em ke jing im ko lek loj ai to pendep ewang ke jing pendep niam ngai skem ke jing pendep niam hi hawro sluk yong dari India man ngai bentai jing ko yawro ikon yong dari India kublai kit bokir biang yawro kiwa ya em benta ha kani ka jing pendep ya kani ka jing leniam Yong man ka jing ka ku nei benta o be lut ya ka jing si jing roi ka jing siao per ha ka jing im yong i kam ki jai bru ka jing siao per ha ka jing im yong i kam ka jing ngai niam e wa ka jing start yong blai una e bor wi ginong chikri kam yong per o gi ndem hok nei benta o bendem ai mon yong blai ko be sibon ka Durga Puja masuk main Jawara.
US Chakravarti Advocate na Juwai habakren na kaliang ka Durga Puja Committee Juwai Shiv Mandir uyathu bakane kale niya mantau snam kalong kat kum kikin don balabut ka sarkar kham tam hagane ka por badon ka kham COVID-19 da ka ba pinduna ki jingrung ki breu shapo
kat kam ka protocol ka SOPs was the issue in district administration street administration work SOPs were to follow it for woman COVID kini ka situation yang COVID yang pandemic. The naliang committee yang i wada penduna bru wa live siap support commander which I join report definitely the protocol level strictly follow entry exit points ladap chanai commander yang work commander wada cover idaga CCTV camera. The entire mandir is under the CCTV surveillance. The state administration, district administration, along with the police personnel, yarap hagi wa panman gini ka puja hani snan nga wa kublai borok ki district administration ki officers, ki police officers, ki volunteers wa yarap for kaniga puja news name ini news name haka last sniwa last wa le puja itu sni dau le niam kamju le chaita cha suntuk share ta kaniga name wa em kaniga corona protocol eti dau I de penduna I brule wa lai chaita wa le niam Sagawile I Hagnigas name Mandaga procession di Kajat. The volunteers are Paul and Ili Pamud a Chai, Dau Eftu Yonki district administration, definitely the Kagari, where the Kitiki Gari with the line. Kitula Dau A number of district administration and the police let the Ashiorgi were Ongi Dau A escortki. Nado Mandir, Hadogas and Tuxia, Hado Wadep Leniam E. Such is saying, I wish every citizen of this country and every citizen of this district, my friends, my brothers, my elders, a very happy, healthy and safe Durga Puja 2021. Thank you.
Mentakasi ka Shillong Archdiocese harangkat bat ka Jylla hi barokawai kala priang sngoba yo nuncio badu ambassador ka Vatican cha India ha ka program bala penlong habianchi hall jong ka Cathedral Parish Lemkra Shillong. Ki badon lang ha gane ka program ki ki Archbishop ki Bishop ki reuniam bat ki pa jong ublay. La pensngan shu da ka jingdon jong menteri rang ba Conrad ki Sangma baru MP uba Vincent Pala bat ki wei ki reo sarkar. Harangkat bat kashat karwai la don ru ki jingkren nu Archbishop Victor, Archbishop John Mula Chira, u Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, u MP Vincent Pala bat uba Barnabas nangba na kaliang ki pa jong ublay.
One of my favorite passages in the Bible is the parable of the talents. We read it in the Gospel of St. Matthew, chapter 25, verse 14 onwards. It speaks about a king who, before he went for a trip, gave 5 talents to one of his officers, 2 talents to another one, and 1 talent to the third, and he went abroad. He came back after a long time, and when he came back, he asked for an account of the talents which he had given them. The first came and said, "Sir, the talents you have given us, it has doubled." The third one said, "Sir, here is your talent. I kept it safe. I had buried it, and now I want to give it to you." All the talents which are spoken by Jesus is meant for the people to examine themselves. What does this talent tell me? What does this talent tell you? This parable tell you? This parable tells us that we are all different.
And he looks at how to make an organization and government more productive. So he mentioned to us in his presentation and discussion that for an organization to be more capable, more productive, we must start with a purpose. We must have a passion. And we must have an organizational structure to be able to deliver that particular purpose or passion that one may have. Our church makes up just 1.55% of the population of this country. And yet, if you see the contribution that we have made to the country, to our region, to our state, and to many lives and individuals who are in this room and who may not be having the pleasure or the honor to be here today because of restrictions, it is huge. You look at the country as a whole, the number of schools that was mentioned, the number of hospitals, the number of social organizations, the number of individuals who may not be Catholics but passed out from these schools today, sitting in top positions in different organizations, ministers, MLAs, CEOs of companies, have come out from Catholic institutes. This is a contribution of the Catholic Church.
O Apostolic Nuncio baru Ambassador jangka Vatican ulawan sa Shillong ban Khubor Archbishop Victor Lingdo da kabau an Khub da kapalium la syai kasngi hakapor mas bukhoit kaban salong hakapor sipositeng minstem. Hagan ka program jing pediang puram Nuncio ulai ro ka jing bun ki jat ben rio hang ni ha Meghalaya bat ru ha ka ju kapor ulakan tui ki pai rio nget ban ya buram bat ya teli na markane kan pen iya ka jing long si parajungi ha ukris ulaong.
So this evening, the choir, the garo dance, Jaintia dance, Kasi dance, all are expression of your culture and tradition, and say to me that you belong to different tribes. You have different local languages, and I think that you have to be proud, as I am proud to be Bergamasco. You too, you have to be proud to belong to your own tribe and to keep alive traditions, culture and identity. But first of all, we have to feel brotherhood. We have to feel unity among us. First of all, we are brothers and sisters in God. We are brothers and sisters in Christ. And so, from the diversities that is part of our specificity, belonging to different languages and tribes, from that diversities should come the unity in our faith, unity in Jesus Christ. Honorable Chief Minister, I am very grateful for your presence here, for honoring me as the representative of Pope Francis in India. And I would say that you are the Chief Minister, of Eden, of the original garden, because your state is so beautiful. You have hills, falls, forests, beauty everywhere. Even the rain is, I understand, something that is a record in your region. And if rains is a blessing, as I used to say, you are the most blessed people in the world. As you mentioned, from your personal experience, the Catholic Church in India continue to give a great contribution to the country, to the development of the country, of this developed country. And this is a point that we should also underline, promote to the national, to the central government. Because the church in India should not be perceived as a challenge, but as an opportunity, as a contribution to the society. And I think that you, in your position, certainly you already done, but I encourage you to convey this kind of message also to the central government.
Batagi tu ki Khubor ni la pois bakun tak ada bengin ni sembiang ko beli sibon.